Anemenene. Anemenene. Fast, you know. Anemenene. Anemenene. A-ne-mene-ne. A-ne-mene-ne. Whose uncle is here? Whose uncle is here? A, A means is. Ne is uncle. Mene, whose. Ne, so N, two E, two E's, means here. N, two E's, means here. And we can go down. Anemene ne. Anemene ne. You would say, or you would answer the person who's asking you, like, whose uncle is here? And you would say, Gina Nea. Gina Nea would mean you said, it's my uncle. Anemene ne. Anemene ne. Gina Neey is your uncle. Anemene ne. Gina Neey ekke is your uncle. So ekke is a plural noun for you, 2, 3 people, 4, 5, 20 people, 30 people, or things. And then if the uncle is belong to 2 people, belong to them, 4 people, 5, 10 people, then you say, Gina Neey ekke. So Gina Neey ekke. The last one, Anemene ne. Anemene ne. Whose uncle is here? You would say, Gina Neey ekken. Gina Neey ekken. Gina Neey ekken. So you're saying Gina Neey ekken mean you're saying their uncle is here. Their uncle is here. Thanks for listening.